Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.1, Problem 13. This is Section 3.1, Problem 13. It says write the decimal as a fraction, and we have a decimal of 0.00002. So we want to convert this into a fraction. So to do any conversion of a decimal into a fraction, there's a four-step process. Step one, write what comes after the decimal in the numerator of a fraction. So what comes after the decimal is 4 zeros and then a 2. That's what comes after the decimal. That's step one. Step two, put a 0 under each digit that's in the numerator. So each digit that's in the numerator gets a 0 after it. I have 5 digits in the numerator, including the zeros and the 2. So 5 zeros go into the denominator. Step three, put a 1 in front of the bottom zeros. So I put a 1 in front of the bottom zeros. Step four, reduce the fraction if it is reducible. And this I can reduce. So once I get to this point of the process, I don't have to write the zeros in front of the 2. I can just make it 2 over, and let's see, that would be 100,000. So 2 over 100,000. Now, can I reduce that? Yes, I can, because they're both even. The numerator is even, the denominator is even. So I will divide 2 into 2 once, and I can divide 2 into 100,000 50,000 times. Or basically, I cut it in half. So 1 over 50,000 is equivalent to 0.00002.